Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Kathy Lee, Crafting with Kathy Lee. I'm so happy you stopped by today. I am here to show you a project I made with the Sweet Affirmations Kit from Silver and Sparkles, and this is a design team project. This was the kit they had for one of their challenges, and she challenged with another designer to do a different weekly theme each month in November. I'm a little late to the party. This is the challenge of, I'm trying to think. Hold on, I gotta peek. Don't look. Created with a purpose. Sorry about that. Week 3 was created with a purpose. That's what this one is about. There is still time if you want to craft quickly and do the week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Everybody who submits a video and tags them in the video will have a chance in winning a prize. And I don't remember what the prize is. I think it's one of the projects that they made. So check out the YouTube channel. You can check out the description to that in this video. And there's still time to craft because we aren't quite to the end of the last week. So this was last week's for the 3rd week. And here we go. Again, this is the Sweet Affirmation Kit. I was at a retreat last weekend, the weekend before. I don't remember quite when. And this is one of the projects I came up with. I am going to go ahead and created with a purpose was a prompt for week 3. And this is one of the beautiful postcard size images from the kit. Look at that cute little hedgehog. Nope, that's a porcupine. No, that's a hedgehog. I think it's a hedgehog. Is it? Boy, this is Pam with Silver and Sparkles. Tell me, is that a hedgehog or a porcupine? I think it's a hedgehog. Anyway, see, I should figure this stuff out before I do my video. So there's a view from the top, view from the sides. This is another accordion folio because they are fun to make, and you can make them as big or as thick as you want. Okay, so when you open up the first page, go like this. This is one of the tags or banners. Remember your why with the fox. I did make a little pocket here. I lined the pocket with this yellow. The only thing that's not from the kit are the solid pieces of cardstock I used. This is another one of the journal cards. Just slide that in there. This is, I meant to have a little piece of paper here. What can I find? What can I find? Gosh, I need something here. Just going to grab one of my little cards. Okay, so in this little banner I drew some leaves. I don't really like them, but they're okay. I fussy cut some flowers from this kit that I shrunk down to like 60% the regular size so they'd fit on my little banners. I just used a punch for the banners. And then when you want to place a photo in here, they should, maybe, actually be able to slide. Gosh, I'm not very good at this. They should actually be able to slide right behind here. So if this were a photo, a full-size photo, you could slide it in under here so you wouldn't lose the space. So there's that. That's the first layout. Here's the second one. This one has another one of the journaling cards. This is a sticker that you could use on another project. This is one of their sentiments. There were like 2 sheets of sentiments in this one. Gorgeous mess. I don't know if I'm gorgeous, but I do know I'm a mess most days. And then I just cut out some of the flowers and such and the cute little squirrel. And then behind this I have a tag with nothing on the back, so you could journal on it or place a photo. Another one of their journaling cards. And then I stuck a little bookmark in here. And it's just a piece of cardstock with one of their stickers. And again, you can see the different sizes of the stickers. I love the fonts they used. And that was just a fun little surprise here. Gosh, my fingers are not working well today. All right, so that just hides in there. Put that back. This one slips back inside there too. And again, you can see we could slide another photo back there. Next layout, same as the other one somewhat. I love this little raccoon, another one of the beautiful sunflowers. Those of you that know me know I love sunflowers. Okay, and this one has Know Your Worth with the fox, Know Your Worth with the bear cub, and then another little bookmark, Perfectly Imperfect. Well, I've got that imperfect part down pat. I think perfection is overrated. Okay, so there we go. We should all strive to be better versions of ourselves, but I don't think any of us need to stress about striving to be perfect. All right, so there's Know Your Worth. And again, another place you can shove a photo. All right, and then the last layout in this one, same thing over here. Remember your why, the little cub, little deer, and over here, tomorrow needs you. Don't ever forget tomorrow needs you. You are enough. I love that little hippo. Not sure how the little hippo fits in with the little forest life, but he's awful cute, and he's in a forest, so all right. And gorgeous mess again. Some of these sayings repeat themselves, and that is okay because they're all really good. I'll just stick that in there. And then this is the back cover. And what I did is I used one of the tags and I folded it. I did a little Velcro on a button. Make today great. And I made a flip underneath this yellow. So you could flip this and then you could have something hidden back there. Or maybe write a little special note back there. So that is the first side. And then, that's the fun thing about accordion albums. Now that it's flipped, we have another cover. So front cover, back cover, front cover, back cover, however you want to look at it. Tomorrow needs you. Don't forget it. And then this one is just going to open up to a 2-page layout. No pockets, no nothing. Okay. And another 2-page layout. And another 2-page layout. But the cool thing is, I don't think I'll be able to show this all, but I can probably open it partially so you can see. This will open up into one big, long folio. So look at all the room for pictures in here. And it was so fun, and I love the little critters. So cute. These ones are I cut as is. This one here, I layered a big one and a small one. And I did those on 2 layers of cardstock, so they'll be nice and sturdy. So that is my little accordion book made with the Sweet Affirmations Kit from a Silver and Sparkles. Please like this video if you haven't already. If you would like, you could subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment, all that fun stuff. It helps me gain a little traffic and maybe some recognition. And I do videos because doing videos and being on design teams encourages me to craft, even when I don't feel like I have time or energy to craft. So that's why I do it. But, you know, those likes and shares and hearts and all of that are really nice too. Have a great, I don't know if I'll publish this before Thanksgiving, but either have a great Thanksgiving or I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. Thanks for visiting my channel. Come again soon. Bye.